So much. Well, SoCal Edison has promised to reduce the number of customers it has to cut off when there are high winds. They say they're making progress right now, making their system stronger and safer so it doesn't spark wildfires.
Kick It On Inland Empire reporter Nicole Comstock is live in Fontana tonight with more on this story. Nicole?
Santa Ana winds have arrived in the Southland, and as always, they're stirring up safety concerns.
Hold on to the steering wheel.
For Latricia Thomas, it's about more than staying in her lane on the freeway. She lives in a fire-prone area, which is usually on SoCal Edison's list to potentially have the power shut off during wind events.
Everyone's been pretty much warned, so hopefully they'll be careful.
Yeah, the winds hit my parents' window, hit my window, so I guess I won't be sleeping tonight.
The good news is they shouldn't have too much to worry about this time around.
No public safety power shutoffs are currently expected. However, according to SCE's fire scientist, he did tell me that the vegetation is not dry enough to support a significant wildfire due to the recent rain in December.
SCE spokesperson Reggie Kumar says people should, however, always have their outage and evacuation plans in place just in case.
So we could have smaller fires, though, due to lower moisture levels in the dry vegetation.
He says the utility realizes how frustrating it's been for people to have their power turned off. That's why it's focused its efforts on better serving them, putting $1.7 billion toward preventing wildfires and power shutoffs in 2022, and reducing shutoffs in high-risk areas by 70% last year. On top of that, SCE says 40% of all overhead power lines will be insulated by the end of this year. Now, overnight, as the wind continues to get stronger, it could cause tree limbs to come down in neighborhoods, especially across the San Gabriel Valley. Reporting live tonight in Fontana, I'm Nicole Comstock, KCAL 9 News.
All right, Nicole, thank you so much. And now at 10.